A little known fact and why the real estate market has surged over the last 5 years is bonus depreciation. This was a policy that the federal government enacted about 5 or 6 years ago that allowed you to write off a property in year one. So let me break this down for you. So when you typically buy a property, they break it up between the building value, the land value, and the improvements value. So typically you're going to depreciate that property over, if it's a standard depreciation, I believe it's 29 and a half years. What this new legislation allowed was you could actually write off roughly 20% of the value of the property in year one. So 20% is a round number. It's not exactly 20%. Where you actually find the percentage is through a cost segregation. This is something that you pay a professional to do. You pay to get a cost segregation, and they will give you the number that you are able to write off in year one. So why is this so powerful? And why has it been driving up real estate values and bringing so many people that wanted to put money into real estate? Well, think about it. So you could go and buy let's use easy numbers. If you wanted to buy $1 million multifamily property, you would go and you could actually take out a loan. You could put $250,000 down and go get a bank loan for $750,000. So in year one though, you're able to write off, let's again use easy round numbers, 20% of the value. So that is $200,000 you're able to write off on your taxes in year one. That is a huge tax write-off. And that's why so many people have been coming and putting money into real estate as a tax write-off. But here's the big thing, is this is starting to be phased out. So as of this year, you can still do the full, again, I'm using 20% as a round number. It's not exactly 20%. It's specific to each property. But currently it's 100% that you can do in 2022. So next year, they're actually going to scale it back to 80%. So you're basically going to lose 20% of that tax write-off. You don't lose it, but you can't do it in year one. So then in 2024, they're going to scale it back to 60%. And then the following year, 2025, it's going to go back to 40%. So you're going to start to lose this big tax advantage over the next several years. So that's why I really encourage people, hey, if you had a really good year in income, whether that was in your W-2 job, or maybe you have a side business, or maybe you own a business and you are making profit, well, go buy real estate, because you can write off, again, nearly 20% of the value of the property you can write off in year one. That's going to offset a lot of your income. That's good. And you know what it's going to do? It's going to keep more money in your pocket so you can continue to grow your business, invest in more real estate. So I really encourage people, take advantage this year. It's not too late. You could still get the full tax benefit through the end of this year. And again, next year it's going to phase back to 20%, and each year 20% for the next several years. So go out, buy a property, talk to your CPA, run this all by him, but ask him, hey, I want to get a cost segregation so I can take advantage of bonus depreciation. It's going to keep a lot more money in your pocket this year.